Hey friend, I am so glad you are here to craft today. Boy, I gotta tell you, these are really cute Easter bunnies from Dollar Tree, but I am so excited to show you how I gave them a cute little makeover. Shall we get started? Let's go. To make this shelf decor, we will use bunny-shaped Easter eggs and some green felt, and a couple more supplies to make two 1-foot countertop bunnies for under $10. And since these bunny makeovers are so easy, I'm going to show you a couple added floral touches too. You dig? Do you love spring? Me too! In recent years, I've adorned my front door with some Target felt spring wreaths. Need to add some ribbon or something to hide the clear hooks? Feel free to share any ideas in the comments. I even have another felt spring wreath I like to hang indoors. So when I came across this floral felt garland, I quickly felt for it. I knew it would charmingly pair with my envisioned DIY bunny decor. Fun tip: take the Peeps Bunny look-alike off a Dollar Tree Easter headband and add it to your favorite springtime wreath. Anywho, my crafty friends know I like to tell stories, so I'm going to share some funny little deets while I show you how I used these plastic bunny eggs, spray paint, acrylic paint, hot glue, and colanders of all things. Then I'll show you some optional embellishments. About 3 to 4 years ago, I asked my husband to anchor these decorative IKEA bowls to the wall for interest above the cabinets. By the way, if you like this idea, you can simply spray paint any decorative steel bowl to mount on your wall. Other than the white metal bowls, this area hasn't seen any love due to my indecision. However, I do have 2 antique cookie jars that have been passed down to me from my mom, who received them from her mom as gifts. Specifically, my grandma gave my mom an antique cookie jar for her 8th grade graduation. She joked that she only paid 50 cents for it, but that it would be worth something someday. My mom says she recalls making kinda bratty teenager eye rolls and comments and such about the dumb gift. So naturally, Grandma started buying her cookie jars for momentous occasions. My mom's 16th birthday, high school graduation, college graduation, bridal shower, and so forth. Anyway, today my mom's prized elephant cookie jar is worth about $35.
She was right. It increased in value.
So now that you've seen how simple it was to spray paint and glue each bunny egg to a mini colander, let's look at optional embellishments. Gather any of the supplies you have on hand to experiment. After all, these are experiments in imperfection. We've got options! When you settle on the items you want to use, practice tucking them around the base of the bunny to hide the conjoining bunny and colander. I wanted to try cutting felt into grass, but the in-store options at Dollar Tree, Michael's, and Hobby Lobby offered a limited range of green felt. I decided to try acrylic paint on felt so it'd both achieve a desired color and maybe have a stiffer effect than, say, a soft felt scarf or regular felt cut in the same shape. You can see I chose a Dollar Tree felt scarf with mint and teal stripes to choose from. I opted for the mint and cut out a full stripe, if you will. Then from my acrylic paint stash, I grabbed Craft Smart's Ocean Breeze and Handmade Modern's Cabbage to mix for a custom color. Use scissors to create your felt grasses by simply snipping a row of partial lines into a 1/2 inch tall strip. Determine if you want to create multiple layers as you would on a piñata. Another grassy choice? Take Dollar Tree cattails and cut the sections apart, then stick them through the colander holes. I quickly learned I needed one of the Dollar Tree round floral foam pieces to help hold the cattails up. If you were to use these for quick tabletop decor, you may want to cut off the colander handle and avoid needing to mask it. Otherwise, you could glue on some of Target's cute stitched felt fabric veggies or make your own by wrapping other Dollar Tree carrot vines with felt fabric. Also, I find these Dollar Tree jute carrots delightful, and you could just glue one on the front as if the bunny is holding it. Think outside the basket. See what I did there? My oldest is turning 9 in a month, and he suggested you may want to paint the colander green and then glue Easter eggs around the mound. So clever, right? I'm keeping mine simpler for the aesthetic, but I was eager to share his idea, and I'm also eager to hear what embellishment ideas you share in the comments. Here's an idea for a kid's coat rack with personalized Easter bunnies. When the idea came to me in the store, I was so eager to customize this Dollar Tree Easter sign. I made a reservation for the laser engraver at my local library's makerspace, then brought in the sign to personalize each bunny with my children's names. A trained staff member helped me create a computer-aided design, or CAD file, as the guide, then I pressed the button for each individual name to be engraved. This was a fun learning process, and together we learned how to best work with this type of glittered material. For a first-time run, I don't mind the progressively better results because I know if I were to make them for gifts or something, I could employ the hacks that worked best in the end. Basically, we put layers of painter's tape over the area to be engraved so that the glitter wouldn't get scorched. Then we engraved each name twice as it'd better penetrate the glitter layer and increase visibility.
The specialist I worked with said I might be able to use magic eraser to help clean up some of the scorched glitter.
What about using a metal carrot wreath form as a photo clip wall frame? Just nab Dollar Tree's 20-inch carrot wreath form and mini clothespins to use together as a photo collage display. Clip on Easter pictures or other spring memories, and that's it. Totally unoriginal life hack here for you. For added decor that won't take up space at the end of the season, you can snag fresh cut flowers. I love to get mine at Trader Joe's, and I can find a variety of seasonal greenery and flowers for less than $4.
May I also add that I know zilch about floral design? Let's tackle that together in an upcoming video, shall we?
Make a last-minute display with Easter printables. Hop onto this lasting trend for excellent instant art. Simply download, print, and hang up with washi tape. I love the whimsical nature of these, and they don't add volume to my decor collection when I put it away at the end of the season. Enjoy this playful addition at your celebration. Adults and kids alike will be charmed by these cutesy carrots. This 5-minute DIY project combines wooden carrot napkin rings with faux air plants. This Shadowbox mobile is as easy as 1, 2, 3, done. And that's about how fast the idea came to me. Check out my linked blog post for details. Until next time, here are a couple videos I know you'll enjoy.